Called you up on the telephone, I called to say hello. Heard the message on your answering machine. Hey, I know you're listening, know you're listening. I wanna come join the land of the living. No worries if you're busy, just wanted you to know Tommy's birthday's coming up. Well, that I know you know. Having the party in the park, he's hoping you can go. Maybe a lot between us, but I hope to see you too. At least for Tommy's sake, he really misses you. I know it ended badly, you're probably cursing me out right now into your bottle. That's fine. I'm sorry we couldn't be happy, but can we at least get along while our son is turning 9? He keeps asking when Mom is coming back, and I don't know what to tell him anymore. Haven't heard from you since October. That welfare check was me, cops said you're alive. Anyhow, if you come to the party, just please show up sober. Last time you came over, you were drunk when you arrived. Tommy doesn't understand, so please don't make me have to explain. He doesn't need that pain. Anyhow, if you're coming, let me know. I paid your rent, by the way. Heard you were behind. So you have one less worry to drive you to drink. Please keep that in mind. I'm gonna hang up now, unless you wanna answer. I'll give you 30 seconds. That's what I thought. Goodbye.